The new LTS solar-powered IP camera is built to be a self-sufficient surveillance solution in our IP camera line. Made for usage in rural areas, the camera requires no electrical wiring or network cables and comes with a built-in 4G module for remote connection. Its mobile, modularized design also facilitates the transportation and setup process, thus cutting down installation costs. The camera's built-in modular 360-watt-hour rechargeable lithium battery supports smart, long-term power management via different power modes. The camera can run up to 8 days of continuous operation upon a full charge without direct sunlight. The 80-watt photovoltaic solar panel is adjustable at different angles for optimal sunlight intake. The solar camera comes with a surface mount and pole mount bracket. The camera can receive cellular signals through a T-Mobile 4G SIM card. It is built with an internal memory of 64 GB eMMC storage and supports up to 256 GB of additional storage via microSD card. Equipped with Color 24/7 and ultra-low-lux technology, the camera records full-color footage at all hours of the day. Details that would otherwise get lost in darkness will still be captured in 4K 8-megapixel image resolution. With MD 2.0, it is also able to accurately filter instances of human or vehicle activity within set parameters. Users will be alerted of instances such as line crossing and perimeter intrusion through push notifications from NVMS v3 software, as well as the LTS Connect mobile app, whether it's for parking lots, parks, farmland, or temporary construction sites. The new solar camera provides a powerful, eco-friendly monitoring solution that requires minimal maintenance. The camera is durable enough to withstand inclement weather, and the battery maintains operations in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by renewable energy for a sustainable future, the LTS solar camera is your answer for remote area surveillance needs. Thank you for watching.